In our last meeting, I gave you an overview on online banking. Today, we'll see how to get into net banking or how to start using net banking. Here, I'm assuming that you have a bank account and have access to a computer and the internet. But I can understand that not everyone will have an online bank account. You are having bank accounts in different banks. Online banking or net banking services and methods of use are almost similar for every bank. First thing you need to check at your bank is if you already have net banking account, and also need to check if your mobile number is linked to your bank account or not. If these two things are not in place, in that case, you need to register for it and get it done. To access an online banking service or to register for net banking, you need a computer and the internet facility available. You can use a suitable browser like Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, etc. to access online banking services. Then visit the bank URL. For example, www.mybank.com. Once you access the bank URL, go to the net banking or online banking option. Now let's see online banking registration options and methods. The first option is Bank gives an online banking kit which will have a login ID and temporary password or IPIN. On your first login, you need to change your IPIN or password. Most of the banks suggest to use customer ID as your login ID, but few banks allow you to set a different login ID. You can set login ID as per the bank instructions like 6 or 8 character ID, etc. Please note that the customer ID is different from your account number. You can find your customer ID on the bank statement or passbook, or else ask for the same in the bank. The second option is using your mobile OTP or one-time password verification method to register for online banking. You receive one-time password on your registered mobile number. You can set IPIN or password for online banking after mobile OTP verification. Please note that while setting password or IPIN, you have to enter the same password the second time to reconfirm it. Password or IPIN should be as per the bank instructions like 6 or 8 characters. It should not be easy to guess. IPIN should be a combination of capital letters, small letters, numbers, and special characters. While registering for online banking, sometimes banks ask for debit card details along with mobile OTP verification. Debit card details are your 16-digit card number, expiry date, CVV number, PIN, etc. Once online banking registration is done, you can log into your bank and start using banking services. A few banks ask to set up a transaction password along with the login password. Transaction password is needed only for fund transfer. We have discussed online registration or first-time login methods so far. Once the registration is done, you can start getting into online banking services using login ID and password or IPIN from next time. Few banks have double verification while logging into bank portal. First, with password or IPIN, and second, with mobile or email OTP verification. Banks ask us to change our password or IPIN periodically to keep net banking transactions safe and secure. I would like to request you all to complete your registration for online banking. And in our next discussion forum, let's discuss the other utilities of net banking.
Now let us check how much you have understood from the above scene. Question 1. State true or false. Customer ID and account number is one and the same. Answer. False. Customer ID is different from account number. Question 2. Should your mobile number be linked to your bank account? Answer. Yes. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button if you find our video helpful. Thanks for participating in the ArthShikshan initiative.